My name is Chef Stephanie Michalak White. I'm a lead instructor at the Auguste Escoffier School of Culinary Arts. My joy and my passion, particularly with culinary education, but also in the culinary industry as well, is that the reason why I started cooking professionally was because I really wanted to connect with other people, and I felt that food was such a vehicle. It's a very visceral process of sharing your creativity and your passion with others. Food is the connector to everyone, and food is something that means something very deep and meaningful to each of us in very different ways. And I find that education has a lot of intersection with that and overlap, because you're imbuing knowledge to somebody else and you're really allowing them to consider what drives them, what makes them tick, why do they want to be the person they want to be, and help them grow in that way. So for me, being a part of the programs, particularly at Escoffier, has been phenomenal, because I really get to see students explore foundational techniques that many people have in the culinary industry, but then being able to think about what they want for their career and get excited about that. So for me, that's the most enthralling part of education, is being a part of somebody else's journey.